So what is permission marketing? One of the most important things is really understanding this no matter what area of a company you work in or organization, not just the marketing department, but understanding how you build those relationships. So permission marketing really, I think it is best said by Seth Godin, and it really refers to what most marketing does, which is interruption marketing. So permission marketing is getting somebody to buy in to really you give them something of value. You help them build that relationship because people are going to buy what first? The person, not your product, not your service, not your company. They're going to buy that person who is representing the organization and what you offer. So to first understand permission marketing, really it's important to identify interruption marketing. So is junk mail sent that they didn't ask for? So what about TV? You're watching it and you get ads on there, and a lot of them you don't really like. Do you get phone calls that you were not asked to be given? What about bulk emailing or even mail order stuff that you get in your mail that you didn't ask for? So really, the simple truth is, if you didn't ask for it, it's interruption marketing. So if that prospect, that person didn't ask for it, it's really interruption marketing. And it doesn't work. It might work a little bit once in a while, but it's really about having a honed down permission marketing. So building and using what I call target marketing, it's really it doesn't depend on calling people unexpectedly or prospecting people that didn't ask for your information or putting people on a junk email list. It's really about serving someone and what they need and listening to them. So permission marketing, that's when people ask for your product, your service, your company. So it's really about building relationships, sustainable relationships with people. So how is your marketing? How is your marketing doing? And are you doing permission marketing or interruption marketing?